Have you ever wondered if your crypto is safer on Kraken or Binance? These two exchanges are titans in the crypto world, but when it comes to security, does one stand out? Let's dive in and find out. Section 1. Understanding security in crypto. What is security in crypto? Explain the importance of security in the crypto world, focusing on the potential risks like hacking, scams, and regulatory issues. Key security features. Discuss essential security features to look for in a crypto exchange, including two-factor authentication, 2FA, cold storage, insurance, regulatory compliance, reputation and track record. Section 2. Kraken security measures. 2FA and biometrics. Highlight Kraken's strong 2FA options and biometric authentication for added security. Cold storage. Discuss Kraken's use of cold storage to protect a significant portion of its assets offline. Insurance. Explain Kraken's insurance policy to safeguard customer funds in case of a security breach. Regulatory compliance. Mention Kraken's adherence to various regulations, including KYC/AML requirements. Reputation and track record. Discuss Kraken's reputation as a long-standing and reputable exchange in the crypto industry. Section 3. Binance security measures. 2FA and security features. Discuss Binance 2FA options and other security features like address whitelisting. Cold storage. Explain Binance's approach to cold storage and its security practices. Insurance. Discuss Binance's insurance arrangements to protect customer funds. Regulatory compliance. Mention Binance's efforts to comply with regulations in different jurisdictions. Reputation and track record. Discuss Binance's rapid growth and its history of security incidents, including the 2019 hack. Section 4. Comparing Kraken and Binance. Side-by-side comparison. Create a table or visual comparison of Kraken and Binance based on the security features discussed earlier. Key differences. Highlight the key differences between the two exchanges in terms of security, such as insurance coverage, regulatory compliance, and track record. Risk factors. Discuss potential risk factors associated with each exchange, including jurisdictional risks and the potential impact of regulatory changes. Section 5. Choosing the right exchange. Individual needs and preferences. Emphasize that the best exchange for security depends on individual needs and risk tolerance. Factors to consider. Discuss factors to consider when choosing an exchange, such as the amount of funds to be stored, the level of risk tolerance, and the specific features required. Diversification. Suggest diversifying across multiple exchanges to reduce risk. Outro. Conclusion. Summarize the key findings of the comparison and provide a final recommendation based on the information presented. Call to action. Encourage viewers to conduct their own research and choose an exchange that aligns with their individual needs and risk tolerance. Final thoughts. Offer additional insights or advice related to crypto security and best practices. Closing statement. Sharp ending. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time. Remember, your crypto security is your responsibility. Choose wisely and stay informed.